All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for you guys to smash that like button. If it's your first time here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so you don't miss a single video and you're up to date on our chart analysis here with 42 Vision. So here we are with SENS Stock, Muln Automotive Inc. And the stock has hit a rip area. It hit a dip area back on July 1st. It has been consolidating. A lot of people were actually worried on the 6th because things were kind of barcoding and sitting sideways. But I talked about how we see support above $1. We want to see that support and it could mean further strength. And I was watching to see if a bull indicator popped up as well as a transition into bright green bars. And we're going to pull up the bull and bear indicators in just a moment. But before we break it all down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities that our Tesla bot sent out over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular, beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edge and clarity over the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord and getting connected over to our 42 Vision indicators. So the stocks I mentioned this morning gave jumps of 5 to 10%, 10% plus, but our home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. And our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator from 9:40 a.m. From that moment forward, call options went up 200% plus within hours, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market and receive this edge and clarity with 42 Vision, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, getting connected to our 42 Vision indicators and our bots. And we look forward to having you join us. And let's jump into these charts. So here we are with SENS Stock, Muln Automotive Inc. On the 30-minute, we were looking for this rip area to happen. We had hit a dip area back on the 1st. Consolidation, broke out above 110. And here we are sitting at 117. I'm going to pull up the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, our QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way so that you can receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets. And you can now join the members using these resources to maximize in either direction within the volatility with the clarity and edge that 42 Vision brings. So here we are with SENS Stock, Muln Automotive Inc. on the 15-minute. It hit a bull indicator yesterday and today right after the bell, hit the highs of 126. Right now, it just got a bear indicator, but when you go back to the 30-minute, it is still under a bull indicator after canceling out the pre-market bear indicator. And yesterday, it hit a bull indicator, hit a rip area throughout the day multiple times, and we talked about how important it was to hold itself up and why the stock had been falling since the 23rd. We talked about the 8K filing, we talked about the articles, the possible dilution, and then we talked about how PR was going to be released on the 30th, and on the 29th and 30th, the stock fell because no data came out about the S&P 500 index that was being talked about and speculated upon. But the CEO came out on the July 1st date and went ahead and told us that that same speculated upon entity, we don't know who it is yet, that same S&P 500 company ordered vans and trucks, right? So super important to realize that there is someone out there, it's just not been disclosed, and we'll see when the CEO decides to release it, and that's going to be a huge catalyst for the company and for the stock itself. During this time period, as you see it popping up right now, the CEO was selling stocks. We talked about that as well. It kind of found a bottom here and support above $1, and now it's taking off again, and we're going to look at the bigger picture here with 42 Vision. So the 30-minute here is showing a bull indicator. We want to continue to see this strength, and also on the 15-minute, right now it's just showing a bear indicator. Hopefully that is a fake out, just like we've seen in the previous times. They turn out to be short-lived and things continue to go higher, right? And right now on the 30-minute, it is showing a bull indicator. And when we look at the 4-hour, which is what we've been watching and talking about, I was looking for things to get out of this dip area and eventually a bull indicator pop up. If you've been watching my videos, we were clearly looking for these dark green bars to pop up. They started yesterday, they went into today, and we were looking for this bull indicator and this bear indicator to get canceled out on the 4-hour. This is super important how this has happened and how it's begun. And now we need to talk about resistance and support on what's going on within these charts, as well as the 1 day, right? Let's pull up the 1 day. So on the 1 day, we're still under a bear indicator, but we were looking at this yesterday, how it started to level off these red bars, and we were looking for a transition actually, not straight into dark green, but at least red with green bars. Well, right now we've jumped from red straight to dark green, a big push up, and it's getting pretty close to where that bear indicator popped up the last time of 133. So we're going to break down the resistance and supports. I'm going to continue to watch 42 vision here on the 1 day, if this could continue to stay dark green, and if this bear indicator could get canceled out by a bull indicator in the possible process of continuation, right? And on the 4 hour, I want this bear indicator to be canceled out and that this bull indicator continues to dominate. That's what I'm going to be watching on 42 vision on the bigger picture. Now, within the volatility, yes, we're in a bull indicator on the 30-minute, but right now the first support level is down here at 114. Straight below that will be 107 to 110. Very pivotal levels to watch in that area if 114 gets broken through. To the upside, yes, the highest point that rejected twice was up here at 126. We want to see this break above 126, 127. And if that gets broken through, right there at 132, 133, which is a pivotal level based off the history of the chart. And as we saw on the 1 day, that is where the bear indicator popped up last time, right? Way back here at around 133, 132. So on the 30-minute and on the 1 day, we want to break through that. If that's accomplished, the next levels will be up here at the 150 to 154 mark. As always, guys, I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.